Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel again for a third time. I finally fixed this. Got pushed this back farther closer to the plastic, and we can put the tire on it. Oh yeah, you can see right there where this comes out farther than it was. It was shorter. Okay, got that. And I need this. Got my tool. Oops. I hope everybody's having a good day. Hope everybody's gonna be having a good weekend. It got pretty hot here today. It got up to 81 degrees here in Oregon. 81 degrees. That is hot. That is too hot for some people. But other than that, it's been okay. I'm going to put this tire on. There we go. There we go. We got the lug nut on. And what else? Oh, I figured out how to put this on. I figured it out. I got back up online and looked this up and figured out how to put it on the RC right here. It's a good thing I checked it up, looked it up, and let me see. I'm looking for my tool. Here's my tool. Take the shocks off. Take those off. That's the only way. Put that down there. I'm gonna take this here. Take this, and we're going to put it right here. Just like this. That's how it goes. Just like that. I hope I got the right. Yeah. Okay.